Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Cardano, what's fit for purpose. Now, if you want to stay up to date with my daily crypto videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Now let's just jump right into it. As stated in the article, people have this idea that no matter where you go, you can pull your phone out and instantly be able to connect to the Wi-Fi. But there's no reason that should be true. That was only due to the hard work of an entire industry. With this being said, we should all work together to better the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a whole, whether you are a tech specialist, a programmer, or just helping people better understand our space. Every small contribution matters. The goal Charles is trying to achieve is being able to move information and value between all these different systems. He also mentions that it won't just be moving value from Bitcoin to Ethereum to Cardano and so on, but also your regular bank accounts. He states that somehow you can move seamlessly between these different systems and do cross-border payments. So basically what he's saying is like there's somehow you should be able to move your money, like let's say from Wells Fargo to Bank of America and so on and so on. And I really like how he also says that this is not about who's first to market or how quickly. It's about what's fit for purpose for 7 billion people in the world. And this goes back to what I mentioned earlier. It's going to take dedication, hard work, and teamwork. Whether you are more on the tech side, the programming side, or just helping people stay up to date with news and helping them better understand certain aspects like me, or even just helping friends or people on Reddit or Twitter and so on, because I see a lot of times where like somebody that's new to the space will try to ask a question, and there's some people out there that kind of like meet them with like some negative vibes, kind of like, oh, you don't know that, that kind of attitude. And it's kind of like, if you see somebody asking a question, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency, our space, blockchain in general, then help them out. Like if you know the answer, then there's no need to like be negative about it. So I think that fixing these little things that we have going on in the crypto space, I think that's really what's going to like strengthen the user base, and just people are going to be feeling more welcome to the community. If you're able to help somebody, then they're going to be like, oh wow, these people are actually very nice, and I like the vibe that I'm getting from, I guess, crypto people, they could say. So it's just kind of like I said, like I said, like little things like that is definitely going to help strengthen our ecosystem. And I think that we're actually doing a lot better on that side. I'm not seeing as many negative vibes coming from people as there was back in 2017 and things like that. So it's definitely getting a lot better, and it's really great to like actually be able to like live through all this. Like we're definitely living through a great major revolution, and it's honestly not even a matter of what if, it's more of a matter of when it's going to happen, when is it going to take off, because a lot of great things are happening in our space on a day-to-day basis, and it's just amazing to see how we're actually evolving and getting a lot better. But guys, that pretty much covers it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one.